FC Barcelona confirmed the transfers, targets, and rumors. Summer transfer window 2026. Please subscribe for more updates like this. Joao Cancelo, age 32, position defender. From Al Hilal to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. Karim Adeyemi, age 24, position forward. From Borussia Dortmund to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. Hamza Abdel Karim, age 18, position forward. From Al Ahly to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. Jose Caicedo, age 18, position forward. From LDU Quito to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. Aziz Issa, age 20, position forward. From Dreams Football Club to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. The FC Barcelona 2026-2027 official home kit released, and it is now confirmed. Jesse Bisiu, age 18, position forward. From Club Brugge to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. Anthony Gordon, age 25, position forward. From Newcastle United to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. Andreas Christensen, age 30, position defender. He agreed to sign a new deal with the club, and now deal is confirmed. Leon Goretzka, age 31, position midfielder. From free agent to FC Barcelona, rumor. Julian Alvarez, age 26, position forward. From Atletico Madrid to FC Barcelona, rumor. Iñaki Peña, age 27, position goalkeeper. From FC Barcelona to Panathinaikos, deal is now confirmed. Frenkie de Jong, age 29, position midfielder. The club opened to sell him at this summer transfer window, and it is now confirmed. Marc-Andre ter Stegen, age 34, position goalkeeper. From FC Barcelona to Ajax, deal is now confirmed. Javi Guerra, age 23, position midfielder. From Valencia to FC Barcelona, rumor. Christian Romero, age 28, position defender. From Tottenham Hotspur to FC Barcelona, rumor. Ansu Fati, age 23, position forward. From FC Barcelona to AC Monaco, deal is now confirmed. Vangelis Pavlidis, age 27, position forward. From Benfica to FC Barcelona, rumor. Pedro Porro, age 26, position defender. From Tottenham Hotspur to FC Barcelona, rumor. Ronald Araujo, age 27, position defender. The club opened to sell him at this summer transfer window, and it is now confirmed. Robert Lewandowski, age 37, position forward. From free agent to Chicago Fire, deal is now confirmed. Aymeric Laporte, age 32, position defender. From Athletic Club to FC Barcelona, rumor. Marcus Rashford, age 28, position forward. The club confirmed he is returned to Manchester United. Mark Bernal, age 19, position midfielder. From FC Barcelona to Manchester City, rumor. Johnny Hernandez, age 18, position midfielder. From Tenerife Football Club to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. Darwin Nunez, age 26, position forward. From Al Hilal to FC Barcelona, rumor. Julius Kounde, age 27, position defender. The club opened to sell him at this summer transfer window, and it is now confirmed. Marc Casado, age 22, position midfielder. His request to leave the club at this summer transfer window, and it is now confirmed. Hector Fort, age 19, position defender. From Elche to FC Barcelona, deal is now confirmed. Julius Kounde, age 27, position defender. From FC Barcelona to Spurs, rumor.